Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing one box of 13-14 Dominion Hockey, and it's break number 5. Last team sold was the Winnipeg Jets, and that sold at 20:36 Eastern Time. We will refresh here. So we've got 17-16 Pacific and 2016 Eastern, and it's 21:16 good old Nova Scotia time, of course. Here's your list. Got all your winners and their respective teams. Thanks everybody for jumping in and grabbing teams as usual. There you go. J-Jax is 6.5. You got a good deal on Florida. Break number 5, and the serial number is 7964. That's all right. That stuff happens, and you gained from it, so that's good. Oh, I just cut it open. I was going to show you the serial number 7964. Like we said, I just cut the bottom of it. So here we go. Back. Okay. Good luck, everybody. So we'll start off with a hit for New Jersey Devils. 291 out of 299, and it's Shea Weber, and that goes out to Jean Piel. For Nashville. And for Dallas, we got Jamie Benn, and that is 277 out of 299. For Dallas, Dallas tonight is J-Jax's 6.5. For NT Horseman, Mark Canardi. It's a base auto, rookie card. 92 out of 299. Very nice. Congratulations. For Philadelphia, we got Ray Emery. That goes out to Bruins fan 1144. And that's an emerald. And it's 47 out of 99. And as you can see, it is Philadelphia. So, let's just leave that one for a second. For Jean-Paul again, we've got Christian Thomas, our rookie patch auto, 232 out of 299, and that will go to Montreal. See? I hate when they do cards like that. If they're going to have a jersey on, it should be that should be the team, whether they've been traded or not. But hey, that's the way it goes. Because I always hate it when it happens to me. But that's life. That's what it is. That's what that's what you put rules down for. Let's see. Let's go to Josh P. 1786. Autograph patches. Pittsburgh Penguins. Sidney Crosby. Card number 92. So Josh P. 1786. Fire me an email if you would like to have that sent to you by email. I'll get the code to you. That works for me. Works a lot better for me. But if you're looking at selling the actual redemption, then of course I'll mail it to you. But my preference is to email it. But you're the boss. So anyway, there you have it, folks. Thanks very much for taking part, and hopefully I'll see you maybe tomorrow night. Have a good night, good weekend, and happy bidding.